so pretty.
Today we are going to Twyla Brooks' house. We've done many projects with her in the past. And now, years later, we're great friends. We hang out, we do family dinners. She's really just one of our favorite people.
Twyla's waiting. See you in a little bit. All right, bye.
Jenny and I have worked with Twyla on 4 new houses. This is actually the first house that is a renovation. So this is project number 5.
Twyla keeps us really busy. I think she moves every 2 years. She always looks at things as an investment.
100%.
So she just wants it to be really beautiful. She's not going to be super particular. She's going to let us be creative and do some fun stuff. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Hi.
Twyla, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, good.
So what do you guys think of this?
She's a beauty.
Yeah. I thought this is something that Dave and Jenny would be so excited to get their hands on. My name is Twyla Brooks, and I'm originally from Los Angeles, California, and I moved to Bentonville to work in retail. After living in Arkansas for almost a decade, Bentonville has become home. A lot of my friends live downtown, and we're able to hang out at each other's houses. And I think that that's become one of the best parts, is just being able to be social with my friends. I met Dave and Jenny over 7 years ago. Dave actually built the first home that I purchased in Northwest Arkansas. I loved it. I sold it and moved on. Over the last few years, I've sold quite a few houses of mine, but now this house is gonna be my home.
What are you wanting to spend on this project?
My budget is about $160.
Okay. What do we need to do out here?
I really want to have some amazing curb appeal.
What about the brick?
Maybe paint the brick.
Yes, for sure. Okay.
The shutters.
Yeah, plastic.
I think they are plastic.
Yeah, so we'll make them pretty in wood.
I think that would be nice.
Out here, we're gonna get you a nice, warm, welcoming entryway. We're gonna paint, we get new shutters, a new garage door, and new lighting. Then give you new landscaping too.
Yeah, good plan.
All right, inside.
Let's go inside.
Ah,
What do you think?
this isn't so bad. I like the fireplace. I mean, this is nice.
I love the fireplace.
It even comes with a weapon hidden in the fireplace.
Well, apparently. I love the mantle, not this mantle, but I love the idea of a mantle.
Yeah, I think if there was just something a little thicker, maybe that didn't go all the way to the edge.
Do you want to keep the brick, paint the brick, cover the brick? You don't know.
I'd be open to painting the brick.
Okay. So I was gonna ask about the floor. What would you like to see?
I definitely would like for it all to flow together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wood or tile or?
I think wood.
Wood, yeah.
Yeah.
Like an engineered wood, something that's durable.
That could be cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other thing is, I love the backyard, being able to sit out on the deck and have a nice glass of wine. I would love if we could somehow open this
Okay.
up.
Maybe we do French doors or
I
something
would love
here.
French doors.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, so the plan in here is paint the fireplace, brighten it up, give you a new nice mantle, new flooring, give you some French doors to open up to the backyard. And bright new paint that will feel a little more inviting. And then of course, new lighting.
I think that could be really nice.
All right, so moving into this kitchen.
Get rid of this.
This little wall, right?
Yes.
And there's lots of weird ceilings, like this is dropped.
It depends on how the ceiling is built, but we could potentially go up, you know, like we did in the living room, but you never know until you get up there and check it out.
What are you looking for in a kitchen?
I'm definitely not looking for any of this. I want a refrigerator, a stove, and a dishwasher.
Okay, so the plan for the kitchen and the dining room, we'll raise the ceiling if we can. We're gonna do new flooring, new cabinets, a fun shade of blue, new countertops, new appliances, new lighting, and an updated space to entertain guests.
That would be great.
Okay,
All right, what else?
Primary bedroom.
all right,
Okay.
let's do it. Oh my word. New lighting. Do you like fan? Do you like light?
Are you a fan person
this
or
is
a
an
pretty
ongoing
chandelier
debate.
person?
Do you want a fan blowing on your face?
I mean, I probably prefer a nice little chandelier.
Bam. What kind of color would you like to see in here?
I think I want something warm and inviting.
Okay.
This is kind of going to be my sanctuary.
All right, so the plan for your bedroom here, we're gonna do new flooring, replace the window, soft and sophisticated paint, a beautiful new light.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
All right, so this is your bathroom. Watch the poo.
Yes.
I'm watching.
What happened here?
Drawer came off, so they just put plywood there.
I actually
cannot believe you bought this house. Wait, the light switch is off. Oh wait, the light switch doesn't work.
Okay, let's just talk about what do you need in here?
New flooring.
Okay, shower or tub or both, or just can you do just a shower?
Shower's fine.
Okay, because I feel like that would be the best way to maximize space.
I agree with that.
Okay, we'll just reconfigure this to better utilize the space.
Yeah.
So the plan for your bathroom is new flooring. We are going to give you a nice big shower and then a new vanity, new sink, new lighting. We just really want this to be a nice, warm, welcoming space.
That's great. On to the backyard.
This is not great right now, but it will be. We're gonna have French doors. We're gonna create a nice big deck for you to sit and relax and update the landscape.
I'm excited.
Okay, we are too.
So how much time are you giving us to do this?
I'm moving from my other house in 5 weeks.
Okay.
So you have 5 weeks.
It's a challenge. I'm nervous about this.
I know you guys can do it.
Twyla knows what she wants, when she wants it, how much she wants to pay for it. All right.
All right.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. All right.
Okay.
I shake on it.
All right, I'll hug.
Aw.
I'm a hugger, you know. You gotta respect Twyla. Buying a house that she knows is,
A dump.
yeah, not great. And then just being like, here guys, figure it out, I'll see you in a few weeks.
It's like a puzzle. It's a pile of puzzle.
Pile of poo, maybe.
You ready? Born ready. How goes it? Good. Matt Mars, walking the dog. Twyla Brooks. This is our first remodel with Twyla, and she gave us a doozy. There's no saving those guys. Almost the whole house is demo.
And it's really rough. It stinks. There's literal poo in the house. All right, Chase, you gotta go pull up carpet in the bedroom. Okay, just start here and just pull up carpet. It's no big deal.
So you want me to take a step by myself? Have you looked around? Are you just blind to, I don't know, the dog poop to my left?
No, that's why I'm out here. Let me go ask your dad to help. This bedroom carpet was kind of like a litter box. Joe, do you want some gloves?
No, ma'am.
See, now we have to help him.
Do you feel bad about yourself?
I do now. I'm like annoyed. It was funny when it was you, and now it's Joe, and he's actually doing it, so now I have to help.
Boy, sure a lot of stains on this carpet, ain't there?
It's disgusting. Yeah.
I used to like you till this happened.
What I'm talking about right there. There you go. Today, demo's wrapping up at Twyla's house. We found out that the ceilings in the kitchen are cosmetic, so those are coming down. Twyla Brooks is a smart businesswoman. She wants the job done quickly, she wants it done right, for a price. And we have got to give her a good investment. To save some money, we are reusing this giant window that's in her living room to repurpose it into the main bedroom. And that's about quadruple the window that was there. That allows us to buy some beautiful, nice French doors to go out onto a new patio. Ooh, doggy, I like that. And now that the double doors are in, we're moving on to the new patio.
Twyla's house is looking incredible. The white quartz countertops are in the kitchen, and we've installed some open shelving for that farmhouse feel that Twyla wants. In the main bathroom, we're giving her a spacious double vanity.
Man, this is gonna look so much nicer.
Dave and the guys are adding cedar planks to the entryway to give it a warm, inviting feel. And I have a fun idea for a feature wall in Twyla's bedroom. Angles that meet and just kind of make it kind of funky, just like that. We're coming down to the wire at Twyla's house. We're painting the kitchen cabinets that gorgeous blue color that Dave and I picked. And we've got a complementary shade of blue going on the bedroom feature wall. outside, crisp white paint is going on to cover up that dated brick, which I really think will contrast well with the cedar-lined entry and the black shutters we'll be installing.
This backyard is definitely going to add value to Twyla's house. A big backyard right in downtown. It's something that is a huge selling feature, and Twyla loves that.
The backyard is so much better.
I know,
With
isn't
the
it
fence,
so
landscaping. Okay, I gotta try this out.
Cute? It's cozy. This is an
like my-
excellent chair, isn't it?
It's like my own little
You
sanctuary in
didn't
here.
get my joke.
I got it, I just didn't respond
It's
to
an egg
it.
chair.
We are at the finish line.
Good?
Yeah. Twyla is super excited. She actually texted us yesterday saying how excited she is to see the house. She can't wait. I cannot wait to get her here.
Twyla is like modern farmhouse, but we kind of took some liberties with the mantle, with the steel, like more industrial.
Yeah, I think it was a subtle touch of industrial. Oh, it's cute.
All right, should we spread it out?
Yeah, let's make this bed here. It's always a fun day to show a homeowner their new home. Feels like Christmas morning, but this one is extra special because it's our first time ever surprising Twyla like this, and it's gonna be really fun.
Bam.
Bam.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the same house, right? Oh my God.
What's up?
I love the black and the white.
Isn't it cute?
Oh my God.
And the little entryway.
Oh, I love the entryway. And the door, look at the door. This is so amazing. I'm not gonna cry. It's so pretty.
So much prettier than it was, right?
It was a mess.
Oh my gosh, there's so much more inside.
Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited.
Let's go, man.
Let's go check it out.
We'll follow you.
Oh, this is cool.
Yes.
This is cool. Look at the fireplace. Normally, I would not have a fireplace like this.
We took concrete and like completely covered all the old brick.
Cool. But I love the mantle. Did you build that mantle?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I love it.
What do you think of the floors?
The floor, wait, I just noticed the floor. Ooh,
Yeah.
it's light.
Yes.
I love it. I really love this. Because it was so dark in here before.
Yes. This room, it feels so much lighter and brighter with the light floors and light walls, everything light. And then it just draws you right into the next space that Luke
I love
to,
it.
which is the kitchen.
My kitchen.
Go check it out.
I can go check it out?
Yes, yes.
Oh my God. Oh my, oh, it's blue, it's blue, it's blue. Wow, is this the same kitchen?
The same layout.
This is really cool, you guys. Ooh, wine.
Yeah, oh yeah, some wine
man,
storage.
this is like perfect.
We put in the benches here, and Jenny was like, Dave, we got to have some storage for wine for
They're
Twyla.
so, yes, really cool, you guys.
Well, I figured when Jenny and I come over, you're going to want to make us a drink. And
You mean you're gonna make me a drink once I supply everything?
Yes, yes.
yes.
Now look at your real actual.
Now let's look at the best part. I love the blue. I love blue. I love blue. This is cool. Is this wallpaper or is it stamp or
Tile.
it's tile?
Isn't that cool?
Whoa.
We were like, you know what? You want blue, you want fun, we're gonna go for it. So I feel like the fact that it just has that kind of vintage feel, it's just fun.
How cool is that? I'm excited. Wow, look at this. This is cool. This is a statement.
I know, right?
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's not just doing the color on the wall. We ripped a bunch of panels and
I can't believe
Created
this
a
is
design.
the same bedroom
I remember how gross
from
it
the
was.
stuff that was on the floor.
Yeah, there was poop on the floor.
Yeah, it smelled in here. It does not smell in here anymore. And it's so bright.
we doubled the size of your window in here.
Oh,
Yeah.
so,
We
so
actually
it is a
took
bigger
the window where the French door
Oh, nice.
was,
Yes.
repurposed it here,
Oh, that
but
was
it doubled
smart.
the size of it.
And this bed, picked this one because I really wanted something low profile. So when you walk in, you really focus on this wall. And of course, the bedding's the same. It just ties in.
That's cool.
All right, you wanna go check out the bathroom?
Check out the bathroom.
All right.
All righty. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is the bathroom. Wow. Wow, this is huge.
It feels way bigger, doesn't it?
And you got a double vanity
Double vanity.
and all the storage.
Yeah. You have actually more storage now.
There was a wall in the little closet there that we ripped out.
This is like perfect. Is this the
Isn't
backyard?
this cool?
And the spot.
This is cool. Wow. There's so many places I could entertain.
Exactly.
Oh wait, the shed's gone.
Shed's gone.
The little
Let's go.
half broken concrete
yeah,
is gone.
I
We
love
doubled
this. And the fire pit. This is cool.